Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to install a WordPress free theme in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to your WordPress website that you want to install a free theme on, click on WP admin. This way, you will directly be logged to your WordPress dashboard. Now go to Appearance and select Themes. Now, these are the official WordPress free themes. You can activate them. They are already installed on your website. To preview, to show, or to use them, click on this activate button. But before this, let's visit my website to see the used theme. Now let's use this other one. Now let's refresh it. As you see, this is the second theme. To install a free theme, it's simple. Just click on add theme. Then you can search for themes if you already know the theme name. You can also search for themes using filters, like for example you want an e-commerce theme, just check this box and click on apply filters and scroll down and you will see e-commerce free theme. Same thing for education, news, photography, portfolio, etc. You can also search for themes depending by features or by layout. Now let's go back to the popular page where popular free themes show up, and let's use this. For example, let's use for example this Astra theme. Click on install and wait a moment. Activate. Now that my free Astra theme is installed, let's refresh this page, and this is the new free theme. Of course, I still need to add my logo here, the navigation bar here, and so on. I think the Astra theme comes with pre-built websites. Start customizing or starter templates. Click on it from here. Click on start building. And now they installed free themes, syncing template library, and here you have a very long list of free and also premium templates that you can use for your website. But be aware that if you try to use or install these templates from here, these templates comes with with its own photos and pages and maybe articles. It's like duplicating a website into your own, and then you can start customize it. And of course, you can delete the photos and the pages that came with this template. Click on continue, select features, click on continue. By the way, some templates or some plugins will be installed for you with this template. Click on continue, and here click I understand and submit and build my website. Wait a moment. Congrats, let's view your website live. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. Congrats, let's view your website live. And this is my new WordPress free theme from Astra. Let's check the other pages. Services, about, contact us. And this is how to install a free theme in WordPress on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.